lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. Hello lovelies, how are you? I hope you're having a great day while watching this video. And before I start, if you're new here, I'm Lovely. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like this video, put a like or comment and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. I still need 50 subscribers to reach my 700 subscribers. But for now, let me do this collaboration. So for today, I'm going to save $100 instead of saving $50 for each week. I will double it up because I haven't saved last week money that I need to save for this binder. So you will see this video on Wednesday or Thursday in Hong Kong or Wednesday in US or sometimes Thursday. It depends on how long I will edit it. I'm caught up with my work. That's why I don't have time to record last week and we have visitor here that time. That's why I cannot record. We need to host that visitor and give some time for his vacation here. Okay, so let's start with this collaboration. So this collaboration is hosted by Miss Gracie of Grammy's Journey, and the other channels which is part of this collab are Lily of EMT Dispatchers on a Budget, Odette of Odette Budgeting Life, which is the one who made this June saving challenge, Sin of Sin on a Budget, Jess of Tobin Budgets, Terry or of It's Not Too Late Terry, Miss Pam of Gaming Grandma Budgets, Christy of CW Does Life. Christy is on break for YouTube, but she will come back. So Patty of Coco Cabana Budgets, Pat of Oma Low Income Journey, which is on also break on YouTube, and she's having some difficulty at the moment. So let's give her time. And me, Lovely of Lovely Budgets underscore HK. So let's start with this one. I stopped here last time, but today, let me do here. So I will save here $20 for today. Let's skip $20 and let's see how far $20 will go. Sorry about that here. Hold on. I cannot talk much because my son is here changing. Say hello. Yeah, we're sharing rooms. Me and my husband and my son. Yeah, we share in the same room. Just always be the referee of the game. Okay, so far what we save here, so including today's saving is 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 427. Okay, so let's start now. So 20, and let's roll 6-sided dice. So every time I pass start, I will save $1. 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 2. So let me just add up 2. And then let me cross this out. Hold on, I'm too tight. Okay. Let's roll the dice. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one, the pail with sand. So I save here, let's save here $6. So $6 plus 6, total 8. And let me cross this because it's done. 3, 1, 2, 3. So the balloon. So let's save here 3 plus 3. So 2, 1, 2, d6, roll d6. So 1. Let's save here 1, 1. Oh, I should save here $40 because it's 2 weeks, right? Okay, let me just save another 20 because it's 2 weeks. I forgot. So far what we save is 12. Okay, so let's cross this out. 3, 1, 2, 3. Move 2 spaces. But I save $1 plus 1 because I pass start. Move 2 spaces. 1, 2. Oh, the girl in swimsuit with a floater. So let's save here 3 plus 3. Let's roll the dice. So 1, go back to start. So go back to start, I save $1. So now total of 70. And let's roll the dice again. So 1, this sun. So let's save here 3 to finish it up. Plus 3. So it's now 20. And let's roll again. 2, 1, and 2. So let's finish this and save $3 plus 3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D3. Roll D3 and save $2. So 2 plus 2. Let's roll the dice. So 1. This ice cream. Let's finish this. 3. So 6. Oops, sorry. Plus 6. 2, 1, 2. This Ferris wheel. Let's save 5. I just randomly saved 2 items or 3 items. So plus 5. So I just need $4 to complete today's savings of 40. And next, 5, 1. So we pass 1 start. So I add at $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the slipper. So we need $3. Okay. $3. So this is complete. And plus 3. So we completed $40 savings for today collab. The 2K, Lovely's 2K, 1K, 2K collaboration. So for next week, we end up here. Let me put a dot. And let's save and we recount how much again. So this one is for here. So 20. This is from January. So 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 447. Okay, 447. That's correct, right? Let me count again. 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 420, 40. Okay, 447. Yay! Yay, we finished this. Come on. Let me just stretch this out and take a picture, maybe for thumbnail. Why not, right? Okay. And for the next collab, it's a Disney collab. Disney, hold on, which is, where's my Disney binder? Okay. So this one, and for the month of June. Okay. So part of this collab are so many. I'll just put all the names. If you want to take a shot, or so that you know which channels are part of this collab, and I'll put it on the description box if you want to save with them, or if you want to save for Disney or your family fun day. So for June, the one who made this is, I think, yeah, Norris Budget and Terry. Oh, it's not too late, Terry. So Norris made two and Terry made one. So let me just save here. How much? Let's me roll the dice. So four. Let's do one more. Five. So nine. Make it 10 then. So 10 for this one. And for the other side, 3 and 1. So 4. Okay, let's do. Hold on. 10 plus 4. Let me do the calculation like this to avoid prop money usage. And for this one, for Terry, it's a roll and save. I will roll here 3-sided dice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by, I think I will roll. So this is 2. I think 3 or 4 flower icon. 4, 1, so 5. Oh, I think, okay, I save 5 plus 5, so 19. And let me make it 20. If there's a $1 here. No, there's no $1. Okay, let's just make it $19. And let me get if there's a change in here. I think there is. Okay, so let me get change with this to prop money. Okay, so now the total amount here, 100, 150, 200, 2, 4, 6, 261. Okay. So next collab. So if they still have money left later on, I will just save again for the challenge. So next collab is a self-care collab. So part of this collab are, oh, there's so many of them as well. I'll just put on the description box, but I don't have the challenge for budget like a girl. I cannot find it. So yeah. So for, I already done this. I started in April. It said here, it's okay not to be okay. So for self-care in June. So this challenge, oh sorry, is from Uncashes. So how much we're gonna save today? Let's see. Four. Let's do one more. 6. So 10 total. I think so, right? So let's do 5, 15. Total of 15. Let's do one more. 4, 15, 19. Okay. Let's do 19 here. And let me get change of $1. Hold on. Let's put it back there. $1 change. There's no $1, so let me 19, right? So here 19, so give me $2. So now the total amount here is 20, 40, 50, 60. It's upside down. 70, 80, 90, 98. Whoa. Yay, yay, yay. $98. Wow. Imagine. Just saving a little by little goes a long way. All right. So what's gonna be the next? So we still have 4 more challenge here, and we have 20, how much? 22. Let me go to them for let me sketch this one out. So this one is from Mel of Momsy Queen. It is a DIY scratch up. It's available on her coffee shop. So let me scratch this one. I hope it's not spicy. Let's see. Oh, 6. OMG. 6. So let's save here $6. And then have change. Let's see if she got change here. 6. Oh no. Let's get some change here. Okay. So prop money will go to the front. And let's save here $6. Okay, $6. Total amount saved here as of today, $18. And for let's drink to that. This is my own challenge. You can, if you want to grab this, you can check out my coffee shop. I don't have much saving challenges there, but if you just want to save with me with this. So let me scratch off this one. So $4. So it comes with a card. And let me flip the card to know how much. So $4 plus happy hour. Let's do. Okay, so I will save here $2. Okay, $2. Let's do one more, I think. Yeah, let's save this here. OMG, $8. $8. And let's flip the card. 241. Save half the amount. Okay, save. So $4. $4. Okay. So what we have here is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 98. Wow! Yay! $98. Let's change this into a smaller note. Oh, no more $5. So just leave it as it is. So three drinks left. And let's drink to that. As you can see, the completed saving challenge, the amount that we'll save here will go to our holiday and festivities in sinking funds. And I think it's enough. Okay. So for Miss Judy of Sunday Playing with Friends, I haven't watched the Sunday one, the second Sunday, but I watched the first Sunday, which is she rolled or she saved $16. But for me, I will save $7 because I only add up the number to save because I cannot save it together the amount that she's rolling. So let's save here $7. And there's a $3 change. Let's see. And $3 change will go to Kimmy's, this one. So let's get $3 here first. If there's a change here of $3. There's no. So what we're going to do, so change again. 2, 4, 5, and $1. So $3, and this one is prop money. Don't be confused, lovely. Okay. So let's save here $3. And let me cross this out. $3 going to cross here. This is Kimmy's Corner group play. She had a roll and save group play, and this should be a scratch off if you want, or just select the amount that you want to save. And for this one, okay, let's save 7. And so far, what we save here from April, there's a mistake here because last April she rolled 18, not 14. So, but I already saved 7, but I will just leave it like that. Okay, so 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 69. Yay, yay, yay. $69. So that's what $100 go. Thank you so much for being here, lovelies. I hope you have a great day by watching this. I hope you enjoy my video today. If you happen to finish at the end of this video, please put a butterfly on your comment so that I know that you and finish the video. And thank you so much. And that's it for now, lovelies. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. See ya. Bye.